Israel went to the streets to speak to the people, exploring the troubles of homelessness, substance abuse, and the struggles that people go through. He listened as the people tell him their stories in the CBD in Kempton Park. Orange mfethu awusele ukuthi uhambe kanjani. Over to you. Sure.
Up close and personal with Israel, Matseke Zulu, aka GPmaorange, the ghetto professor, King Manamune, last man standing. Yeah, we are at Kempton Park, CBD. It's the central of the Kempton Park. I'm surrounded by the people here. The reason why is because I'm a concerned citizen of South Africa. I want to know Guti yini ama problem swabantu. I don't want to be judgmental. I don't judge anybody. But ngifuna amajita bazikhulumele ukuthi yini iproblem yabo, yini enze ukuthi bazithole la kule khona le. Yes, my brother. What's your name?
Kempton.
Kastrin.
Yeah,
hold the mic
Kempton.
close to your mouth. Yeah. You said you're from Cape Town?
Not from Cape Town, from East London actually.
Oh, you from East London?
Yeah.
Also, you came to Johannesburg
For Spanish.
for work,
Yeah.
and then you were a driver,
Yeah, I was a driver and I...
truck driver,
not a truck
van
driver.
boy.
I was what is this things now? Aircon.
Aircon.
Yeah,
Aircon deliver. Or you were dealing with aircon?
Yes.
Okay. So, and then the influence of smoking, you got it
Well, from my brother.
from your brother.
Yeah.
Where's your brother?
He's in jail now.
He's in jail.
Yeah.
Okay, so you were plumbing together.
He was plumbing alone because the Owens like to pick on him, you see. So I intervened to murder Owens because of the movement.
So he's the one who introduced you to the drugs.
Yeah.
So what kind of a drug do you smoke?
What you call this thing? Nyaupe.
Nyaope.
Yeah.
Okay. If I want to help you now, how must I help you?
I want to go home, but I can't go home now. I'm still smoking, you see.
Oh.
I want to.
Oh, you want to go home? Do you
I'm
have
clean.
kids?
Yeah, I have 3 kids.
You have 3 kids?
Yeah.
You had a wife?
I had a wife, yeah.
Or you have 3 kids, you want to go home, but you can't go because you're still smoking.
Yes.
You need to stop smoking
Thank you.
before you go home.
Yeah.
So what if you don't stop?
No, it's a long time I want to go to rehab, but there's no one who can help me.
Oh, there's no one who's taking you to rehab.
Yeah.
But you want to go to rehab.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. We'll make a plan.
Hola,
My brother, wena uthe ukweva igama lakho.
tukanisa kombane.
Yeah?
Ukweva
Yeah, kweva. Awusithatha usibeke ngesitory sakho ukuthi ungena isikolo kuphi, siqala phansi.
Mina ngin primary mufante primary especially high school Rosulai.
Yeah.
It's high school.
Yeah.
Maqosho
Baxoshelana esikolweni.
behavior.
Oh, behavior.
Yeah.
So bokhera malini?
Looking at the weekly money bengina 300.
Yeah, weekly allowance. Oh, weekly allowance i3 clip. So bese wenzani ngale 3 clip?
Angitheng udla
Yeah.
until meeting up with the wrong guys.
Yeah. So
Ayupemisa-
ispanisa for pema. Kale ngezolo. So awuzothi izolo iweek. Funeka something higher.
Just after school.
So i-drug yokuqala oyibhemile yini?
Cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
Yini cat? Ibhenywa kanjani?
Yasniff.
Oh, yasnifiwa njenge-cocaine.
Yeah.
Oh, mayikushayile kwenzakalani?
If manje
Yeah?
ugijima ubusuku bonke umshini oshintshayo. Ngiyabona
Gijima ubusuku bonke.
ubusuku bonke
Umshini oyishintshayo. Akulalwa.
akulalwa.
No, ngiyakuzwa my brother. So abazali bakho basaphila?
Baphila.
So bake beza la.
Ngathini abantu nokuza isikhathi esiningi.
Antu wakho uzokuza ngesikhathi azokuxoka. Makaziye yi uthi uzokuncanda sinivayo.
Siyaxabana njalo.
Niyacabana? Ya ngoba awufuni ukuvaya kumnandi for wena.
Kumnandi
Akukho mnandi. So
ngavuywa buka hlukumeza.
Awufuni ukubahlukumeza. Uzobahlukumeza vele for ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uhlalo lokubhema. Okay. So ubhema malini a day? Roughly
150 to 200.
150 200. Futhi compulsory 150 200 mele ihlale khona noma kanjani. So uyithola phi?
Sipakisa imoto siyahereza.
Nipakisa ikara niyahereza stuff like that.
Recycling.
Okay, I know nyakufrostana. Nyakufrostana kuyavelicious. So I think buze last question. Uyafuna ukuchange?
Ngiyafuna ngempela.
Ngamampela.
Qiniso.
Mawungachange ufuna ukuba umuntu onjani?
Futhi ngathi
ngicabanga wena. Mawuthi impilo yakho yokuchange uzibona umuntu onjani?
Futhi ngifocus ekufundeni wami.
Okay. Ufuna ukubuyela esikolweni? Ufuna ukuya esikole?
Kumele.
Ufuna ukufundelani?
Kimi akumani bengenza IT.
IT. Okay. My brother, come this side. Hold it for yourself, ne?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Peter Malan.
Peter Malan.
Yeah.
The Pratt Afrikaans.
English and Afrikaans.
English and Afrikaans. Okay, Peter Malan. Ken Jamie.
Yeah.
You can Maini. Okay. Originally, Vableji.
Northwest.
Northwest. You come from Northwest. And then Vadkhana Ninjodevi. What makes you find yourself here?
No, it was a relationship. They went bad.
The relationship.
Yeah.
Okay, khona abantu abaringa la ebade esiphazamisa. Okay. The relationship is very important.
Yeah,
You were married?
No, I wasn't married, but I was together a long time ago.
Okay.
I had children together.
Okay. Okay, put the mic closer. You had children together. How many children?
3.
3. And then what happened?
Drugs. Started using drugs and stuff.
Drugs?
Yeah.
Or you were smoking while you were still in the relationship?
She put me on drugs.
Or the relationship was messed up because of drugs?
Yeah.
When was the first time you tasted drugs?
Long time ago.
Long time ago?
Yeah.
What kind of a drug?
Now at the moment I'm using heroin, but the first time I used crystal.
Oh, crystal meth. Oh, first it was heroin. Oh, now it's heroin.
Yeah.
The first it was crystal meth.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you maintain your addiction?
I gereza.
You gereza. Okay, and then the money goes to that thing. So if I have to change you, if I have to help you to change,
I'll have to
how?
go to rehab.
Rehab.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I want to go to rehab, but I've been waiting.
Well, you've been waiting.
Yeah.
And I believe some people did come, people like me come here, take their names, and then promise you the rehab.
Yeah.
But the rehab, it never happened.
Never.
Do you believe if you can go to rehab, you will change?
Yeah.
But I heard
Because I want to quit.
you want to quit.
Yeah.
How difficult it is to quit without rehab?
Because I use heroin, I withdraw. That's why I need to go to a rehab. Because I get withdrawal symptoms.
Oh.
I've been using it so long, I've been injecting it so long, my body shuts down without it.
Or withdraw symptoms. If you don't smoke today, let's say you started today, you wake up, you don't smoke the whole day. What are the challenges? What's happening?
I start vomiting and like diarrhea. And because I've been using it for a long time.
Okay,
and I've been
so
injecting.
you need to be taken care of if that situation takes place.
Yeah.
If the diarrhea starts and the vomiting, you need some nurses to take care of that situation step by step.
No, but the rehab gives you medication that helps you come off of it.
That helps you.
Yeah, that helps you sleep and takes away the nauseous and stuff.
Okay, I'm with you. So, just a question out of, not personal question. What do you think about South Africa?
I love our country, but there's no more money in our country for us. Gerezas and stuff, we don't make money, we suffer.
Okay.
We're not making money.
Not making money, yeah?
If you see what they pay us for the scrap, you...
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, if you are about to change South Africa, how would you change the country?
I don't know. How to change the
If you
country.
become a president right now, I'm taking you to the parliament, you are a president, how will you change the country?
I don't know how to change the country.
You don't know, ne? But what I've picked up from you is say there's no more money.
Yeah, for us, like us on we Gereza,
Yeah.
yeah.
But
So
did
you
your
can
life
see-
started with Gerezing?
No.
What was your profession? What was your career? Your skills?
I'm a qualified alignment technician.
You are a qualified alarm technician.
Alignment.
Alignment.
I said
Wheel
car-
alignment.
wheel alignment, yeah.
Wheel alignment, bearings and so forth and so forth, front suspension.
Yeah.
So you were working.
Yeah.
So
For a long time.
For a long time.
Yeah.
And then what happened there in that field?
Also with drugs.
Oh,
Yeah.
that money you make there, you use it for drugs.
Yeah, I started to use
Why?
drugs.
Why? Where
Habit.
Where is this connection of you with drugs come from?
I don't know. It's from my ex. Because since me and my ex were together, I started using drugs.
Oh, your ex was also smoking.
Yeah, she was the one who put me on it.
Okay.
First, yeah. Crystal. That's how I started.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you were not scared when you started. You're starting something that you don't know.
But obviously I'm starting something that I don't know with someone that I know.
Or with someone that you know, someone that you love.
That I trust, yeah.
Someone that you trust. Where is she now?
She's in Krugersdorp.
Krugersdorp. Do you think she's still smoking?
I don't know. I hope not.
Do you love her?
Yeah, I used to, and not anymore. I'm over her.
Not anymore.
Yeah, I'm over her.
Okay, Milan. You said you Malan, ne?
Yeah.
Malan. Okay. Thank you, Malan, for sharing your story with me. So, dala lam tagaba. So, when I'm for Baba, ubani kamala.
Mina igama lami uSipho kodwa laba ngibiza uMaponya la estradini.
Maponya.
Sure.
Ubuya original.
Angibuye ePitori,
Epitori kuphi?
eSosha.
Oh, Sosha.
Sure.
Yakanhleli.
Ya kanhlela lipa.
Okay, Sosha nguve. So, ufitla jwang mo Kempton Park?
Ko Kempton Park ke fitha ka ditaba tsa Spane gore na ke tlonya ka Spane.
Naltonya ka Spane.
Sure.
And then go etsagala.
Spane sala ka skreya cause sala ka tloela zgela ka Stanet 9.
Okay.
Ka bona ra re ke chief teka se ke teka mo Jozi ka mo cause mama zala ke mo Foslorus mo wabo.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, mama zala uFoslorasi utlule Pitori utjindile skela Stanet 9 waru ya Jozi.
Sure.
Jozi ke yona ye. So toro ya gago neli eng ha o ya Jozi?
Gore ko thola Spane
Or
ka
o thola
eng.
Spane.
Sure.
Was tall.
Sure, sala ka Sithola yi mo Glenmaris ko 10 Road ko Maranatha.
And then no Spane o etsa.
Na retsa maintenance kaofela around the church.
Oh, maintenance around the church.
Yeah,
And
sure.
then what went wrong?
Ish.
Utswile jwang ko sporo?
Sala ka thomotsuwa cause I had some money wa bo bya no ke thoma etsa nyoko antho.
Oh, no etsa nyu.
Sure.
And then nyu ke yone e ntseng gore o tsube.
Eita.
Ona le tšhelete ngata. O
Sure.
sa tsebe gore o e etseng.
Sure, plus ka mo diploma le dingam la fedi.
Oh, no ploma le dingama.
Sure.
So mara re ba bangata ba re bile le tšhelete. Why wena tšhelete you isitse di trucks? Why sa o isa bojwaleng? Maybe o be ba mabotlono bo di Hennessy o di Glenfiddich o kgethile di trucks.
No, sala ka eno pia fedi wa boksale kasi.
Yeah.
Antho.
Yeah.
Fedi na kutlwa eng. Plaka ene bya no nketsang aksa participator more than na kentsha nyoko e baya di pieng fedi antho.
Oh.
Sure.
So the trucks ki one thing. keep like quick and fast.
Sure, get high same time.
Uba high, o avoid go reka dipia tse ngata.
Sure.
Okay, so how do you feel about yourself right now? O feel jwang ka wena bophelo bo eme jwang? O mang, o thabile, o right mo lengi?
Hona for now nka se re ke thabile, I'm little bit disappointed wa bona.
Yeah.
Mara ke a tseba hore indoda ngawa namhlanje kusasiphinde ivuke wa bona.
Yeah. So mawubhekile uzovuka kanjani? Mawucabanga, mawubhekile. Uzovuka kanjani?
Lapho kudependa kimi nabantu abanginceda ukuthi ngithole usizo vele yabona.
Yeah.
Nami ngizikhuphula amakawusi ngoba vele ngifuna ukushintsha vela yonke lento yabami. Sure.
So usana abazali?
Yeah, abazali basazwakela. Yeah, nginencosi.
Okay, ufila kanjani ngencosi yakho mawuyi khona manje silanda kuma Christmas? Abanye abantwana bathola ama custard in jail, abanye babathengela amaroko, abo baba babo nabo mama babo. Wena umntwana wakho uyi1 la khona wena uyi ufila kanjani ngadayi?
Yeah, yona disappointing kakhulu futhi sure. And angizobhlungu kakhulu ke mangicabanga vele ukuthi Christmas time manje vele.
Yeah.
Yabona. Mara otherwise uNkulunkulu naye yabona ukuthi ngiyafisa vele kube benginawo lawo mandla okumenzela yabona.
Yeah.
Sure. Futhi
so
ngibena
wena umntwana onjani ngama Christmas bebakuthengela impahla ze Christmas?
Sure, nama cricket futhi. Sure.
Cricket yonke lento.
Eh.
Manje yabona ukuthi kubhlungu for lo mntwana wakho lo ubaba ke kumama ke isimo somnotho sime kanjani uyasebenza?
Ngamcela sipane restaurant ngingazi manje ngoba sokuyisikhathi ngingasababoni fe.
Abangana abo Brooklyn bona abo Chobi.
Yeah, benginazo impilo.
Bathi right now.
Ngabashiya ngala iPitori fe.
Okay.
Sure.
So unkauza itrack enjani?
Mina ngithatha crystal meth ngithatha heroin.
Okay.
Sure.
Spend how money?
Hey. Sometimes it depend on parking ngithola imvula ziyanetha so maybe omatrati ngiyayithola 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, fede makuphumile ilanga kanje boma Saturday yapha month end yasipaneka maybe 200 250 kanjalo.
Kulike landlula ilanga ungademanga.
Ngeke lize lendlula.
Angeke akukhonakala.
Awazi.
Mali ngadlula kuzoyenzakalana.
Shoot angilali vela lapho ke.
Awulali.
Ngiba nolaka futhi yabo.
Shothi it's a must kumele ibe khona la noma kanjani.
Sure.
Okay, so ithi indoda ingawa namhlanje kusasa iphinde ivuke. So mawuzovuka from now uyoyenzani life? What's your new plan?
Which I'm not going back to my old indlela zami zakudala kushuta ngisabuyeli la.
Awusabuyeli lapha ne?
Sure.
Uyophila impilo engcono.
Eshintshile.
And then asithi nomntwana umntwana wakho yini intombazana?
Intombazana.
Advice abantwana abafana ungathini kubo manje laba mawucabanga ngathi bazowela the same trap le wena owelo kuyo. Ungathini kubo manje right now njengeGrootman?
Ngaba advice ukuthi bangayilandeleli lendlela le ukufisa ukuthi bazibona abalalala eitratini. Vele nanoma bahlukumezeke emakhaya yabona. Bacindezele thile at least umuntu aqeda isigela akwazi ukuzimaintain yena ngokwakhe vele yabona. Sure.
So mawugidlile yijumpers yini into wese ke yayenzakala nje in the middle of the night? I mean ukusestradeni anything can happen, a truck can fall apart. Ngawa cars ngachayisana into ezifana lezo maybe kunesipoko maybe uke wasibona.
Sure.
So angitshele nje experience yasebusuku mawugidlile yini?
Hey, ngikhumbula ngigidlile nginama awuthu mara bengisalala la ebridgeini vele yabo.
Yeah.
Wavela amanye uthi amangequantum lapha khipha isagili imvubu yabona. Bathi sithathele omunye uma 60 bag. And mawuthi yabona silele sonke vele.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu oyithunile la. Akakhala induku abhlungu kabi lapho ke. Yabona. So it's risky ukuthi silale la cause abanye bethu anything phethe yenzakalayo bacabangela ini alabafana abalala la estradini yabona
noma kungasiyini
nanoma kungasithi abaningi bethu siyabasiza abanye bafuna ukudili isuselwa ama-furniture emafletini esikhona yayibona
okay
sure
ngiyakuthola hayi ukuthi nihleli la ni committee crime
no it's not
nihleli la
about
niyaheleza nipakisa ikara nokusiza abanye abama-furniture what besingayazi thina leyo nto leyo thina sazi masinibona ukuthi avele sekushubile sekushubile vele sekunjalo nefoni vele abasha
ihambile
yeah at least usitshele something le besingayazi sesiyayazi today ufisela inhlanhla uNkulunkulu akubusise uqine ube indoda ushaye sona leslogan sakho bathi indoda ingawa namhlanje sasiphinda ivuka ufisa ukuthi ungavuka ne mara nathi sizobona ukuthi senzani njengamajita necrew yabo yiko sila asizanga la ukuzon expose ukuzonhlambalaza sibonisa icountry ukuthi yini no nathi inhliziyo zethu zibhlungu mhlambe siyahlobana awazi yayithola la ideng ngiyabonga mfana omdala athi sithole oza la mfana semzini ithatha igama ubani mfoka baba
hayi igama lami uLifa
Lifa
yeah bangazi ngo-snacks makotini
okay Lifa
yeah nguLifa bangazi ngo-snacks makotini
snacks makotini
yeah from Katlehong
ubuye Katlehong eNatal Spruit
yeah ethokoza
yeah okay so wena uzithola kanjani ke la Kempton Park
la Kempton Park like ngi-artist, I'm a songwriter, I'm a vocal, I'm a rapper. So lana ngizopromote, ngizo-expose iskill yabo. Yeah, I-hustling nje platform nje kuphela. Like ngidinga opportunity, but it's hard manje ukuyithola. Into engiyiwulayo.
So usuke Katlehong ethokoza. Waza eCaptain Park uzofuna i-opportunity yokucula, ne? Utsho wena. Ufuna ungena ezintweni, ufuna ungena e-industry, ube superstar. So yini into oyenzile mawufika la eCaptain Park ezongiprovela ukuthi mina vele wena ufuna ukuba i-artist? Uhlangane nobani, uye kubani, ukokote kuphi, wenzeni? Ubeka i-mic yi.
Ngihlangane nabo Fab like abo DJ la emaklabhini abanye ngabakhohlwa because uzithole i-opportunity platform mele ube related nabo DJ uzokhona ingoma zakho udlala, but because marima ungena opportunity ngaleyo nto leyo ayithatha ukuthi uye phambili.
So and then isimo sinjani manje empilweni yakho?
Isimo sinjani manje is because of if u broke awuna next kunzima ukuthi upromote and mazobeka imbilini yakho ukuthi okay ubuya estradini kunzima ukuthi bakutrust. You understand me? Abanye bakriticize these days asenabo abantu abaphusha lento ngokufeeling ngokuthando ayithola. So kunzima like kuya phambili because of awasekho ama natural musician ama actor presenter these days.
Gini abakuxoshanga uzivayele
ngizivayele.
So uprefera ukuhlala yi uprefera ukuhlala yi isimo ekhaya sinjani?
Isimo ekhaya ayisikhwali nje into engihambisile nje ileyo nto nje ukuthi ngizozihasilela because of ikasi ama opportunity so awekho ayithola mele ngize ngithole lento engifunayo ngiphume ngaphandle njengendoda ngizihasilele until lento nami ngitshela ukuthi mangibuyele ekhaya ngizobuyela at least kune something engizuzile.
So ushaya genre njani?
All genre. I'm a songwriter. It's been a pretty ngingajoli ngapleedy but I'm trying to get it. Ngibuya le ekasi busy ngawo but now this game is called amahawu. It's too funny njengo David Cow like something like that.
I know. Ayakufila. So when uzifunela i-opportunity yokuthi ungene entweni
platform ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi abadinga songwriter
so masikufuna sikuthola kuphi
kwamanje ngithola la eKempton Park
masikufuna konje thoba igama lakho?
Ulifa.
Una how many years?
28
awusasemncane, still have a chance to go. 28 ne? Hayi no silizwile talent lakho uyagijima sobona senza kanjani?
Thank you.
Ne? Yeah, story sakho, it's so sad. Shute katlego ngazange ube nomuntu nje okucabangile ukuthi akufake e-studio record.
Like nami angicabanganga le it was a calling ukuthi vele ngingene phakathi egamini yabo
Okay.
ngishaya namanye ama challenges.
Bade asondela namtaka baba. Sondela namtaka baba.
Sure.
Asiqale phansi le. Igama
nguNkosana.
uNkosana. Nkosana, tell me your story. What's your story?
Mina indabuko yami ngiphume eThembisa Grootman yabo.
Yeah.
Bengiploma ne-time phela yabo. So i-time 2009 la committee suicide yabo manti zabangixosha endlini ye-time ukuthi ngiyoploma ne-holiday.
Mara awuzwakali. Beka le mic la Nkosana. Ukuzwa kahle ukuthi uthi.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa Grootman. So 2009 time amalibhola ngachifta la elokishini yabo.
Yeah.
Ngoba abantu bebangixosha ngithola.
Yeah.
So ngawumuva ngawuploma ne-holiday ngapha ne-boyfriend yabo.
Yeah.
Gcina singazwani ne-boyfriend ngishifta lapha.
Yes sir.
Ukusuka kwami vele la qala ukumosha ngithola ngoba ngisabloma ejardini Grootman yabo. Ngimoshe sininini sengena ema-drugsini Grootman ngithola. Angene enyawupeni until namhlanje ngeza la eKempton Park ngithola mangifika la eKempton Park kula impilo yami bengathi ngcono khona ngithola Grootman. Because le lokishini bese ngumuntu ukuthi manje laba ngibona khona bangibona njengomuntu omubi Grootman.
Phakathi ufuna ukukushaya. Yazi ngisizeke kanjani life.
Sure baba.
Yazi the mangicala sengiringa iproblem yami. Kula ngisizeke khona life. So ngesilungu bathi talking it's healing and healing is therapy.
Sure.
So you must break the silence, you must talk. Believe me. Yabona mangawathatha la magama. Yazi abantu vele kunjalo kusemhlabeni amehla abantu ini. But the wheel of power, you must face your fears. When you're speed, you must be brave. The speed lesi obenaso sokuthi uyofuna la idea bese uyayinkawuza. Ile speed lesi esifunakalayo for wena no ukuthi uchange impilo yakho.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Ngiyakuzwa.
Wa change wena. Bayo change bonke. Uzoba ingwenya. Yabona ngidumile manje ngiyaziwa ngazi umhlaba wonke. Mara bengunobani bengazi. Nami ngizalwe njenga wonke umntwana. Nami nginkawuzile mara mina ke igeneration yami thina zange sibhema ama drugs. Mara bakhona ababhemile. Mina ngiphelele egadini mara ngisabhemi nogwaya ngisawubhemi. Sikhule ngezolo ke thina. I-drug yethu bekuyizolo. Zol biya awudlula lapho no. Azange ngifike. Yabo lezi zinto abonya ubese vela manje ngegeneration yenu thina asizazi izinto lezi. Asazi yini inkinga zenu. But ngiyabona une problem yemi yokukhuluma ithi ngokukhulumele ngoba ngokuzwile mina umfowethu usuffer from depression after losing his father. His father committed a suicide. And then he found himself isolated. Went to the mother stayed with the boyfriend never had a good relationship with Nkosana. Nkosana resulted into drugs. Find himself at Kempton Park. Kempton Park is where he believes he find a better living than living in a township. Because a township he has messed up. People wanted to kill him. Umphakathi bofuna ukumshaya because besabamazi ukuthi umahluka left and right. So story sakho ngisitholile program akuna flop. We'll see what we can do. What's your name?
Aiden.
Aiden.
Yes.
Aiden, where do you live, Aiden?
I stay in 19 Street.
So how can we help you today?
I'm just looking for work. I can do maintenance. I can do any hard labor.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, any hard labor, any maintenance.
Yes.
You are ready to work.
I'm ready to work.
You know, people believe if you are white, everything is possible, you're living well. But here today, you are looking for work.
Yes.
What is your take? What can you say about that?
Well, it's not about your color, it's
Yes.
about your situation.
Yes.
And what you've been through and how you've suffered and how you've dealt with it.
Yeah.
But it's more important, it's also about who helps you and who's listening to you and the people you know. Yeah.
So where do we find you?
You can find me on my email.
Yeah.
It's aidensammerby123@gmail.com. AIDENSUMMERBEE123@gmail.com.
Okay. All right. No, thank you very much. We'll try to help. I believe people are listening.
Yes.
Whoever has got an offer, a job, give this gentleman a job,
Please.
irrespectively of the color.
Yes.
It's a rainbow nation. Let's consider ourselves as human beings, not as Zulu, as Sotho, as colored, as white.
Yeah.
As human beings, we all suffer the same. We all have challenges.
Yes.
Job, it's job. Let's create a better South Africa.
Yes.
That's what we're trying to do actually. Each one
Yes.
teach one and each one teach all.
And thank you so much, Israel, for coming to us. We really needed it. We needed someone to listen to us. Thank you so much.
But people don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
When we see these people sleeping in the street, we only think about they commit crime, they do drugs. Yes, we know they do drugs, but each and every individual has a reason
Yes.
that put him into that situation.
Yes.
But through this podcast today, we've opened our eyes. We've seen, we've heard with our ears what are the causes of this situation. And by people listening, the country as a whole, some will come and help. We'll love people to do that.
Yes.
Anyone who can help must come and help. If you have a job to offer, you are welcome to give this gentleman a job. If you have a studio to record an artist, you've heard a guy from Katlehong wants to sing, needs a platform, needs an opportunity, come help. Some, they want to go back to school, going to tertiary to go and learn some skills. Come help. Each one teach one and each one teach all. Thank you. The GP, the ghetto professor, up close and personal with Israel Matseke Zulu, Nyaivala Bafethu Orange. Sizwele, the problems of the gentlemen over here, it's different problems. Tina, siyathanda ukuba judgmental. We think maybe the problem is about crime. No, it's not about that. We found one from a well-maintaining family, suburb school, everything was nice, got an allowance, 300 rand every week, decided to smoke because of bad friends, bad company. My brother over here, Nkosana, suffered from the depression after Aluzu Babake committed a suicide and then left with the mother. The mother, life goes on, as him exposed, but mama obviously unama feelings, impilo meliqhubeke aba ne boyfriend. I boyfriend wathola ukuthi manje there's no good relationship between the brother Nkosana and the man of the father. The boy decided ukuthi azithole ama-drugsini athi ufuna uqeda i-depression, kanti i-depression ayiqedwa ama-drugs. Uzithola kuphi? Ekhoneni, estradeni, eCaptain Park. But umuntu naye uyafuna ukuya rehab. Umoya besikhuluma naye umalani. Ubuyaphi? Northwest. Bekasebenza kuphi? Wheel alignment, balancing, front suspension, etc. Because there was money there, smoking. Influence come from the girlfriend. In the relationship, umuntu amtrustile, umuntu amthandayo, bekangayazi lento. But ngoba ngiyakuthanda, baby, na impilo, nazi lezinto, habashwe, abona ngathi impilo. Uzithola kuphi? Captain Park. Omunye ubhemisa umfowabo, usuka phi? East London. Good, he was a driver. There's money. Uyabona ukuthi sometimes the thing that we like, that we call money, it's our enemy. The money, because you've got the money, you don't know what to do with the money. You smoke with the money. So maybe the next episode, my subject will be how to use money. We must teach our people how to use money. What is the purpose of money? What is money? Into ezifana lezo abasho ghetto professor GP Orange. Yes, yeah.